says Carl.
What in the world is that? I mean, they've never seen anything like it.
Hello, this is Leslie from Denwerks, and we're really excited to bring you this 1970 Ford F250 Sport Custom 4x4 4-speed. It is a factory Highboy. We'll have a photo of the frame VIN in the auction. It was originally sold new at Kendall Ford in Eugene, and it remained with the same owner until 2021. So it's been in Oregon its whole life. Very, very cool truck. It was ordered with special paint, and Marty doesn't call out the color. It's kind of a cinnamon terracotta color, really, really pretty, and has been repainted at some point. It's got a rebuilt 390 in it now. It came with the 360 originally. And take a look at the pictures, video, of course, description. You're welcome to come and see it. Just get in touch with us by contact seller, and we'll be happy to make arrangements for you to come out and take a look and ask us any other questions that you have. It does have forward locking hubs on the front now. It originally came with free running hubs, so those have been added at some point. Factory hubcaps. Class 3 hitch. Very, very cool truck. And I'm gonna open this really quick. If you hear panting, that's our dog Stanley. He does not do well in the heat. Let's look at the inside. You can see the inside's very, very nice. interior. You can see the instrument cluster is a little bit cloudy. There's your odometer. 4-speed. Let's go to the other side. Passenger side. I'm gonna hop up in the, oops, sorry. Trying to move the camera slow so you don't get motion sick. I'm gonna hop up in the bed and show you the top of the cab, the drip rails. And I'll hop out here and then we'll look at the engine. All right, let's take a look under the hood. I pre-opened it. I have not yet mastered opening a hood and holding a camera at the same time. But like I mentioned, it's got a rebuilt 390. It was rebuilt in about 2016. Runs amazing. Hasn't had very many miles put on it since then. They rebuilt it and really didn't drive it all that much. Here's the hood. This is going to be a very nice truck for someone. There's your 390. And there you go. There's a look at the truck. Reach out if you have any questions. We're happy to help. And here's another look at it. And thanks for checking out the video.